Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this vegan homemade white bread. So let's get straight into it. So in my mixing bowl I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of salt, yeast. I'm going to mix that together quickly. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'm going to mix these ingredients together. Now I'm going to add about half cup of lukewarm water. I'm mixing with my spatula, and then I'm going to use my hands to knead into a dough like this. The dough is looking rough, but I'm going to allow it to rest for a bit. I'm going to cover with a damp paper towel. Let it rest about 10 minutes. So after the time has passed, I'm going to knead my dough again, and it will be nice and smooth, as you see here. I'm going to cover the paper towel again and allow it to rest for another 10 minutes. After that time has passed, I'm going to knead the dough again, and I'm going to fold as you see demonstrated in this video, and then I'm going to put that piece of dough into my greased baking pan. My oven is set on 350 degrees and baking time should be about 25 minutes. This is my dough in the pan, nicely risen, and this is bread all nicely baked after 25 minutes. Lovely, lovely. Okay, I'm gonna have my slice of bread with some tomato that I fried up here, and super moist, super delicious. This bread is really nice, and it's really great recipe to try. All right, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support and your love. Keep safe, everyone. Keep safe. Much love, Martina. Bye bye.